Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It is December 1st, beautiful Tuesday in 2009, and the S&P ETF, the SPY, is gapping up very, very nicely into the 110.87 area after yet another test of this 110.20 mark that we had yesterday on the charts. So let's take a look at this up gap in context now. It looks like markets are awaiting some nice economic news, and we'll be looking at that in just a moment. So here is this gap up. Yesterday we talked about this double top and how significant the 110 mark was. So drag this over. You see again right through here that we have a pretty good triple top now. Hang on one second. So anyway, after a really nice kind of a higher consolidation here above the 50% retracement of this run up, even though it's not a complete gap fill, we do have a really nice gap up here in the morning. Again, just not still a complete gap fill. So we will be watching, as always, this 111 mark, which I mentioned yesterday, and the 110 mark. See if we can hold up through here. Good confirmation of all this yesterday. Good not to trade long or short into that until we got out of the consolidation. And on a longer time frame, if you take a look at this, even on a daily, the 111 mark is actually right through here. So we are gapping up nicely, just not, again, completely to a gap fill. So that's what we'll be watching for today. Through the close, if you look at the VIX, kind of zooming back into a smaller time frame, we had a high base consolidation on the VIX until later in the day when it did drop below that level of support, which was once resistance at the 2460-65 area, and then it used that as resistance on the way back up. So this will also be an important confirming or disproving factor, and I would really like to see the trend dropping, just not dropping dramatically today. Trend Q, if we're going to go higher, I would want to see the same thing. So a good down move like this, where it drops below 0.8 and kind of hangs around or starts moving lower all day long, would be a good confirming factor as well for a move up in the spiders. So this is what we'll be watching. See if we can hold up where we're gapping up into now in this 111 area. I took away pre and post market data so you can see that more clearly, and it's going to be a good day. So talk to you soon around noon Eastern Standard Time, and trade well.